Hello from PlotSet. We have a special place on our website allowing you to see numerous examples of different charts. To begin, go to the gallery. All the charts that you see here are accessible to you indefinitely, which means you can use them or their data whenever you want. Just click on your chart that has piqued your interest and see the options. The gallery is an excellent place to start your charting journey and get inspired by those who have created impressive data visualization. Let's pick this one as an example, shall we? This chart is about the alarming trend of the wealth gap. As you hover over the chart, the tooltips display the data points so you can analyze the chart more easily. You can obtain an export of the chart, share it on social media as it is, or download the data. If you wish to modify the settings, simply hit the Modify Chart button, which will lead you to the panel. In here, you can change anything from color settings to the axes. Feel free to explore. In addition, you can change the data. When you're done with the modifications, you can obtain an export of the final design. You can share the link of this chart with someone, embed it on your designated website, or share it on social media.
There's one more thing I want to tell you. If you look at the top side of the gallery, you can see these tags, which display the charts into categories. When you click on each tag, only the charts under that category will be shown to you. For instance, if I click on maps, the ones related will appear here.
That's pretty much all you need to know about the gallery. Thank you for watching PlotSet.